And the race is on. Doomstead, Lovable Frances, joint account from the outside by the Rails Power. Negotiator, running Pips Golden and Gay. Lovable Frances by Hapalan, followed by Power. Negotiator, joint account, joining them. Running imports, Doomstead, done on the inside, Golden and Gas. 2 lengths, corner back in 6, Sugar Mike. Alongside Douglas Sprite and Flying Hope, she's running at the tail of the field by about 10 to 11 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Lovable Princess by about 2 lengths, followed by Joint Account in second. And racing on the outside, Doomstead Power Negotiator as they raise the last 500. It's the Lovable Princess by some 2 lengths, followed by Doomstead Power Negotiator, Sugar Mike in between runners and joint account as they raise the last 250. Lovable Princess by about 2 lengths, Doomstead and Power Negotiator Danori inside Sugar Mike and nearing the finish line. Lovable Princess with Jeff Serate by about 2 lengths, and finally Lovable Princess second, close. Power Negotiator and Doomstead. Then comes Douglas Pride, Sugar Mike, Flying Hope, Joint Account, and Golden Angge. Come.